In manufacturing, every day brings new challenges. From shifts in demand, to retaining skilled workers, to the emergence of new factory technologies, and that's just scratching the surface. Keeping up is essential, so is being ready for whatever tomorrow holds. To get there means transforming your business. It means digitizing your operations to do the things that matter most. Increasing output, improving plant efficiency, capturing and utilizing actionable data, reaching Industry 4.0. We know what it takes to future-proof your business. We're manufacturers too, and we're here to guide you through every step of your transformation process, however ready you may be. Drawing from more than 100 years of our experience in the manufacturing industry, we've developed a set of scalable solutions to help businesses like yours not only adapt to today's demands, but to stay ahead. Through our smart manufacturing solution, we take a collaborative approach to identify your business's unique needs and put in place a solution wherein hardware and software work in tandem to achieve operational excellence. Our scalable manufacturing software, Panasonic, brings your entire operation online. As a result, you get real-time visibility into how your facility operates and insight into where operational efficiencies can be gained. And our Toughbook mobile solutions help you maintain and manage assets and logistics on the factory floor, no matter where you are, supporting decision-making on the fly. The future of manufacturing is here. Are you ready to lead the way?